But today I'm going off script. Let me be compute. The forecast you're hearing ain't what it seems. Time to wake up from these manufactured dreams. Stonely Productions. Yeah, check the radar, but what you seeing ain't rain. Silver iodide seeding messing with your brain. Cloud formations looking way too geometric. Hard frequencies got the sky looking kinetic. Stratospheric aerosol injection in effect. Solar radiation management, what did you expect? Aluminum particles falling from the sky, but we call it persistent contrails, that's the lie. Pressure systems manipulated by design. Weather modification, crossing every line. Doppler showing patterns that don't make sense. Get you engineering programs, get into it.
They say it's weather, but we know better. Look up at the sky, read between the letter. Forecast calling for truth, but they won't tell you. Weather's been hijacked by the highest seller. Turn off your TV, look up at the clouds. Question what they're selling to the passive crowds. Mother Nature's crying, but they paint her smile. Been controlling weather for a little while.
Yeah, temperature readings manipulated at the source. Urban heat, islands blame, but that's not the course. Microwave transmission towers heating up the air. Ionospheric heaters everywhere, but do they care? Jet stream meandering in the natural ways. Polar vortex shifting through these manufactured days. Extreme weather events increasing by design. Problem, reaction, solution, falling right in line. Chemtrail dispersal at 30,000 feet. Barium, strontium making the cocktail complete. Respiratory illness spiking in the demographic, but correlation's not causation, that's they math.
It's just weather, but we know better. Look up at the sky, read between the letter. Forecast calling for truth, but they won't tell ya. Weather's been hijacked by the highest seller.
Now let's check the 5-day outlook, here's what's real. Monday, more spraying programs they won't reveal. Tuesday, pressure cysts artificially steered. Wednesday, natural patterns completely disappeared. Thursday, bring some truth if you know where to look. Friday's forecast written in their playbook. Weekend, warrior clouds in perfect formation. This is climate engineering across the nation. Satellite imagery showing perfect grid lines. Weather warfare tactics crossing sovereign confines. Patent numbers filed for I just carry control. But mention this publicly, you're on a roll. Humidity levels artificial maintained. Precipitation patterns strategically gained. Drought in California, floods in the east. Weather derivatives traded like a feast. Barometric pressure drops on command. Hurricane steering with an invisible hand. Storm intensity modified in real time. But questioning this weather is the
Turn
real
off
prime.
your TV, look up at the clouds. Question what they're selling to the passive crowds. Mother Nature's crying, but they paint her smile. Been controlling weather for a little while. Wake up to the patterns in the stratosphere. Truth is in the sky for those who see it clear. Weather modification isn't just a theory. Open up your eyes, the proof is never dreary.
So that concludes today's alternative forecast. Remember folks, question everything that's broadcast. Tomorrow's outlook, more manufactured weather. But at least now you know we're in this together. This has been your rogue meteorologist, signing off before I'm added to a list. Keep watching the skies with a critical eye. The truth is up there if you question why.